today we're S ranking monkey business. Everyone, do something real quick. Not a monkey, not Monkey the Rabbit. She's small, so it's easy to get by. We're doing easy, normal, and hard, but they're not going to be in the same video. They're going to be separate videos.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Not really. Never been a hotel filled with monkeys. Unless they're Asian, yeah.
Going up?
By myself. Collect.
Now listen close.
Telekinesis is probably the best part.
But half of the time, I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have been shredded. You might just survive this after all. Good girl. You're near.
Hey, Beers, what am I doing right now? I only have $56. I'm just gonna take it all away.
The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Yes, I could S rank. I didn't lose a life.
You're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!